Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to make a sunflower arrangement. And there's just a few rules that you should follow, but in the end it's your arrangement and you can arrange them any way that you want, just as long as the sunflowers show. But my first rule of thumb is if you have a vase, always work with the vase and let the vase dictate what you want to do with your arrangement. And if you have sunflowers alone, my rule of thumb is to have some taller, and then some medium size, some shorter, and some really short, so that they're at different levels, because you want to be able to see all the sunflowers. I love mixing sunflowers with different types of greenery, or in this case, in the fall, you have beautiful leaves that you can use, and berries, and whether it's silk or fresh, there's so many different options. And the key is to make sure that there's a height, and then there's a width as well, and that you're using odd numbers and showing each flower in its own. And you can always add other flowers too, whether they're silk, like this silk lily right here adds a lot of color in with the other sunflowers. And there's different types of ivies and all types of silk and fresh flowers. And I always say don't forget to add more, because a lot of the greenery will really make the sunflowers stand out. And remember, if you're having a dinner party or if you're having people over and you're eating over a bouquet, never to make it too tall. And sunflowers are so beautiful to cut short too. You can cut them and then just put them over some leaves or some different type of fall leaves, or put grapes in it, anything that you want to do, and it'll really show the harvest theme, because sunflowers are perfect for that. And I always like to glue, just use a hot glue gun, a regular glue, or a pen, the sunflowers, if they're silk, right into your bouquets, and that way they won't fall apart. But if it's just for one evening too, a lot of them you can just set in there and they won't really fall off in any way. And always don't forget too, you can buy wonderful garlands or make your own garlands with sunflowers. And just by mixing them with fall leaves, you can do it at your front entryway, or if you're having a picnic on top of the picnic table. But sunflowers are such a beautiful flower, and they're so easy to showcase.